Everyone online is lying to beginners about AI. Not intentionally, but the advice you hear only works after you already know what you're doing. You're told AI can make money on autopilot. You're shown dashboards, screenshots, and insane results. But nobody shows the messy middle, where most beginners actually quit. And that's where AI really fails people. Not because the tools are bad, but because beginners are taught to start at the wrong place. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They start by asking, how do I make money with AI? That sounds logical, but it's the fastest way to stay stuck. Because money is the result, not the starting point. AI doesn't create value on its own. It only amplifies value that already exists. If you don't understand what people already pay for, AI won't magically fix that. That's why copying AI side hustles rarely works. You're copying tools without understanding why they work. You're automating problems you don't fully understand yet. Let me explain this in a simple way. AI is incredible at three things: speed, scale, consistency. That's it. It's terrible at judgment, terrible at taste, and terrible at knowing what actually matters. So when beginners try to replace thinking with AI, they get generic results and zero traction. Here's the shift that actually works. Stop trying to build something with AI. Instead, look for friction. Friction is anything that feels slow, annoying, repetitive, or manual. Businesses already pay to remove friction. They always have. AI just happens to be the cheapest friction removal tool ever created. Emails that take too long to write. Content that takes hours to plan. Leads that never get followed up. Data that sits unused. These problems existed long before AI. AI just makes them easier to solve. That's why beginners don't need to invent anything. You don't need to code. You don't need a new app. You don't need paid tools. You need one simple question. What is someone already doing manually that AI could do faster? That's where real opportunities live. Not in hype, not in trends, not in screenshots. And here's the part nobody tells you. If AI can't save time, it won't make money. Time savings always come first. Money comes second. Every real AI system follows that rule. If you're new, your goal isn't income, it's clarity. Understand one problem deeply. Use AI to remove friction. Test it in the real world. That's how beginners win with AI. Quietly, boringly, and consistently. If you want more breakdowns like this, real AI systems, no hype, no shortcuts, subscribe. This channel is for people who actually want results. I'll see you in the next video.